Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily locate your Roomba Combo 10 Max Plus. So first, open the iRobot app. And now what you guys need to do is scroll down until you see product settings right here. Now click on locate. And it will make a loud sound, so if you actually have it and you did not lose it, then I recommend not trying it. But since my combo is on the home base, I can press it and as you guys can see it will say that it is charging now. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.